Everyone, and in the last video lecture we mainly completed the different types of ovals, okay, that we studied. I think all of you understood that concept, and now it's time to learn one of the important concept from the NCERT textbook, that is Megasporogenesis, that is the process of formation of megaspore. The structure of megaspore is also important. Okay, that megaspore we also commonly call it as a oval. Okay, that's very important. And along with that, the megasporogenesis. And students, please remember that microsporogenesis, the structure of a male gametophyte, already we studied, that is pollen grain. Okay, that is microspore. And here the same thing, the megaspore structure also completed. And the same thing here, the megasporogenesis. In that we studied about the microsporogenesis, the formation of microspores from the pollen mother cells. Definition is very important. And next year, megasporogenesis, the definition is same, the process of formation of the megaspores from megaspore mother cell. The process of formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell. Here what they given, the megaspore mother cell get converted into megaspore by the process of megasporogenesis. Very simple definition they given. Or you can say that the process of formation of megaspore from megaspore mother cell. But in case of microsporogenesis, the process of formation of microspores from the pollen mother cell. But here there is a megaspore mother cells are present. With the help of these megaspore mother cells, there is a formation of megaspores. Such process we call it as a megasporogenesis. And coming to the important aspect, that is the process how the megaspores are going to be formed. Students, very simple and easy concept, very simple. Okay, very simple. I will try to convey all these points, but please remember here in this slide they don't give much about the explanation. I will explain with the help of diagram. Okay, and here megaspore mother cells, where they are present. Okay students, please remember the structure of oval. Okay, otherwise I will show here. Sorry, it's loading. Sorry, what happened? Reload. Okay, wait, I will try to open it. Okay, okay, this is the diagram. Okay, you can see here, this is the diagram from NCERT textbook. Complete diagram is there in your NCERT textbook. Here they explained complete about the female gametophyte, that is embryo sac, and the process of formation of megaspore. This is the process how it is going to be formed. Okay, we'll study that part by part. Okay, we will not study completely in case of this. We'll study only about the megaspore, how is going to be formed. Okay, and how it is going to be the cells, how they are going to be divided, and everything we'll study later in structure of embryo sac. Okay, now I will explain only about the process how the megaspore is going to be formed. Okay, see here, this is the first structure that given in your NCERT, and this is the nucellus. Here they labeled the nucellus, these large cells. Okay, in the beginning only we studied about that. The large enlarged cells, or the mass of cells present, okay, just outside the embryo sac, that we call it as a nucellus, or just inside the inner integument. Okay, that is the mass of cells we can find, that we call it as a nucellus. And here during the formation of megaspore, what will happen, the cells, the mass of cells present in the nucellus, the one of the cell which is present nearer to the microfill end. Please remember, the mass of cells are present, those we call it as a nucellus. And among these nucellus, one of the cell which is present nearer to the microfill region, and that cell will undergo division. Okay, that one cell will undergo division. What type of division? They will undergo meiosis. Meiosis is nothing but reductional division. This is the megaspore mother cell. We can see here inside the enlarged structure we can find. It's a large and prominent nucleus present here. Okay, large prominent nucleus present here. This is the megaspore mother cell. And this megaspore mother cell will undergo meiotic division. First meiotic division or meiosis. Okay, and it becomes megaspore tetrad. It becomes megaspore tetrad. One, sorry, dyad, sorry, not tetrad, dyad. One becomes one megaspore mother cell become two. This is one and this is two. Two they are going to form. In such condition we call it as a megaspore tetrad. And here this is the microphyll end, this is a chalajal end. Okay, those are the ends we can see here. Microfillar end here, microfillar end you can find here. This is the thing. Okay, and here uh, in the next condition what will happen? Again there is a formation of, or again there is a meiosis can occur. Again there is a meiosis, second meiosis, meiotic division. So two cell becomes four. One, two, three, four. They become four. They will undergo meiosis. Please remember, they will undergo meiosis, not mitosis. They will undergo meiosis. They are increasing in their number. Okay, they are increasing in their number by reducing their number of chromosomes. Okay, they will undergo meiotic division, and four tetrads, sorry, four megaspores are going to be formed here. From a single megaspore mother cell, there is a formation of four megaspore cells. Okay, so we call it as a megaspore tetrad. Four megaspores are going to be formed here. Among these all four, only one is going to be continue as an embryo sac. Remaining all three are going to be degenerate. Okay, they are going to be disappear. All of them are going to be, they are going to be disappear. Okay, only one is going to be mature and it will continue into developing as a embryo sac, and remaining three are going to be degenerate. Please remember, remaining three are going to be degenerate. Okay, and that final one megaspore is going to divide, or that going to be divided in their nucleus are going to be divided. Okay, that we'll study in the next video lecture. Okay, please remember. Okay, this is the process of formation of megaspore or megasporogenesis. Once I will explain, please be here. Okay, once I will explain, please listen carefully. Okay, this is the structure of nucellus. This is the structure of nucellus. Okay, mass of cell. One of the cell from the nucellus which is nearer to the microfillar end or microphyll end, that is going to be developed into embryo sac. Okay, that is going to be developed into embryo sac or megaspore. In that time what happens? The cells present nearer to the microphyll, it will undergo meiosis. It will undergo meiotic division or meiosis 1, and there is a formation of two megaspores, and those we call it as, that condition we call it as a megaspore tetra, megaspore dyad, not tetra, dyad. Two are going to be formed. Again these will undergo meiosis 2. These will undergo meiosis 2, and these will undergo meiosis 2, and there is a formation of 4 megaspores, and that condition we call it as a megaspore tetrad. And these megaspore tetrads are mainly formed from the megaspore mother cells. Okay, megaspore mother cells. and megaspore mother cell will undergo meiotic division, and finally there is a formation of 4 megaspores, and that condition we call it as a megaspore tetrad. And among these 4, one is going to be developed into embryo sac, and the remaining 3 are going to be degenerate. They are going to be degenerate. Only one is going to be developed into embryo sac. Okay, this is the concept regarding megasporogenesis. The structure of embryo sac and everything, the cells, how they are going to be arranged, everything we will study in the next video lecture. Okay, I hope students you all understood this concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask the questions, or otherwise you can see the video repeated times. Will came to know about the concept. Okay, thank you.